Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix your Mini Cooper rearview mirror. First, gather your essential tools, including a plastic trim removal tool and a set of Torx screwdrivers. It's important to identify your specific Mini Cooper model, as the mirror removal process can vary slightly between generations. Always ensure your car is completely off, and, if working with electrical components, disconnect the battery for safety before you begin. A common problem is the mirror pivot wearing, causing it to become loose or droop, especially in warmer climates. Now, let's get to disassembling the mirror. Begin by carefully prying off the plastic trim pieces around the mirror base. A plastic trim tool is ideal for this to prevent scratching. Once the trim is off, you'll need to rotate the mirror about 90 degrees, either clockwise or counterclockwise, to release it from its mounting stud on the headliner. After rotating, gently pull the mirror straight down. If your mirror has features like auto-dimming or a garage door opener, you'll find an electrical connector. Disconnect this by pressing its release tab and pulling it apart. After removal, inspect the mirror's pivot point. A worn pivot is a frequent cause of a loose or wobbly mirror. For a drooping mirror, some owners have found success with a temporary fix using a zip tie or a thin piece of fabric to secure the internal ring. If a repair isn't feasible, a full replacement mirror might be necessary. These can range in price, often costing over $200, depending on features like auto-dimming or integrated garage door openers. Always ensure the replacement mirror matches your Mini Cooper's specific options. To reassemble, first reconnect any electrical connectors. Then, align the mirror at a 90-degree angle to the mount on the headliner. Push it firmly upwards while rotating it 90 degrees until it snaps securely into place. Finally, reattach the plastic trim covers around the mirror base, ensuring they click firmly. Test the mirror's movement to confirm it's stable and properly adjusted. Don't forget to check the description for a link to little trees, black ice, and other great deals. A properly functioning rear view mirror is crucial for safe driving, so take your time and ensure everything is correct.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.